Hello students. So in previous video we discussed how the electron movement will be there, isn't it? Okay. So we came to know there are three ways in the movement of electrons. Now here because of movement of electron, so we are going to get some some effects will be there. Okay. So electron displacement effect in covalent bond. So once you are going to shift the electrons, so there is some effects. Here we have the two types of effects. One is permanent polarization of the bond and second we have temporary polarization of the bond. Okay, so once we are shifting the electrons means what, there will be some polarization, means there are going to develop some charges. Okay, polarization means what, there is a development of some charges. Okay, so here permanent polarization of bond, in that here, so what is that means, the electron displacement due to the influence of an atom or substituent group present in the molecule causes permanent polarization of the bond. So there is a development of permanent polarity in the molecule. Okay, or that may be sometime what, because of influence of maybe some atom or substituent or group of atoms. Okay, a group, because of that what happened, there will be development of permanent polarization. Here we have the, because of this, here this type of electron displacement, here we have, in this we are going to discuss inductive effect, resonance effect. So these two effects are what examples for the permanent polarization of bond, means there is a development of permanent polarity. Okay, now next we have temporary polarization of bond. Now, in temporary electron displacement, effects are seen in a molecule when a reagent approaches to attack it. Examples of this type of electron displacement we have electromeric effect or polarizability effect. Now here what is the difference between here means, here already we have group of atom in the molecule or we have some group. Okay, but here what happen in this case of temporary, any reagent if it's come, then only polarization is possible. Okay, if it's not there, there is no polarization. So that's why it's calling as a what, temporary. Okay, there is a only temporary present. Okay, it's called as a temporary polarization of bond. So now we have to discuss it. So inductive and permanent polarization of bond, temporary polarization bonds one by one. Okay.